Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. Actually, I bought this watch and another one from the same guy, and both boxes arrived at the same time, so I'm not sure what is in this one. So we'll discover together what is in here. So let's get this thing open. Hopefully I don't cut myself. All right, we're almost all the way there. So we have a special edition Casio G-Shock Yoshida and Company Porter, Tokyo, Japan. I honestly have no idea what Porter is, but I will do some research and we'll talk about that in the full review. 85th anniversary. So let's get this open. I believe this is a limited edition, not just a special edition. Well, it's a tight fit in here. I don't know if you see my previous video, but wearing this watch to kind of commemorate the other one I had to send back. This is a Explorer mod, custom case, hands, all that stuff, ETA movement, but really looks very similar to a 36mm Rolex Explorer. Anyway, let's get into this watch here. Here's a little bit of information inside the lid, so let's check that out. I'll let you read that. You can pause it if you want to read more of it. Little manual on how to use the quick release straps. Here are the silicone, I feel like resin straps with the quick release system. And this does say Porter on it. So set those aside. I like the orange. Wow, that display it's like very crystal clear. So let's get this off of here. We can take a better look at it. I've never had a G-Shock with the fabric strap like this. I don't know if these are similar to the J's and K's adapters. I never had one of those. And that's more so for a NATO strap. This looked like you could change this fabric strap on this adapter though. Got little cutouts there for the spring bars. But you can take the whole thing off with the quick release. I like that orange, the orange accent there. Very nice. There's the case back. GM-5600EY. I have a handful of other Casio G-Shocks, so we'll compare them to this. Yeah, I have my 5610 here. We can take a look at the displays. This seems much more clear. I don't know why or how, but yeah, I'll take a look at that. I'll look into that and can go into more detail in the full review. It's a nice metal bezel, black buttons there, oversized. Actually, I have a Tron too, so maybe I'll do a full G-Shock collection video here very soon after I do the review of this. So this has the new, not really spring bars, but instead of the screws on the side of the case, it has these screws here, for example. So yeah, let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. The same basic functions. There's the backlight. So let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. This strap does feel really nice. I have a 6.5 inch wrist and I'm almost down to the last hole location there. So if you have a wrist smaller than mine, this fabric strap isn't going to work out too well for you. I do have it cinched down a little bit tight, but I think this is where I would wear it. So here we go, my 6.5 inch wrist with the 52mm wristband. And I do see a bit of an issue with these adapters here. I would say that overhangs my wrist. So I think I have around here a tape measure thing. Hold on, let me measure this real quick. Alright, I found it. You'll probably see why I called it a tape measure thing. That's I guess this is like a slappy bracelet, but anyway, it's got some graduations on here. So quick and dirty measurement looks to be 60 millimeters. So that's quite the so-called lug-to-lug measurement. So anyway, just a quick unboxing. Let me know what you think of this watch. I kind of like it. I like the strap, but I think it's a bit too big for me. So I'll try it out on the rubber and report out on that in the full review. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.